Specialising in Mercedes, BMW and Porsche, Herefordshire-based Gerry Doverman has put a 43% rise in profits down to the TechMan garage management system. The independent garage, which adopted the service in 2016 to improve workshop efficiency, prides itself on excellent customer service, as owner Gerry Doverman explains.
Coming from all over the place, customers, all of the HR postcodes in Herefordshire, Worcestershire. I've got customers that come from London, Manchester, Cardiff, West Wales, Aberystwyth, because of the service that we offer. We offer a very personal service. Some of the customers have been with me a long time. We were a growing business. I've gone from one technician to now to 7, and you can't manage without a system.
Gerry praises the garage management system for encouraging its users to suggest useful features and updates which further improve the service and complement its growing list of attractive capabilities, all key for the successful running of a busy garage workshop.
We asked them to do a colour coding scheme for the jobs in priority. So if you've got a job that's really important, needs to be finished in a certain time, you can colour that to your colour, like we colour it red. Other jobs, when they're booked in, are coloured blue. Waiting for parts is yellow, and that just helps to lift that job off the page in the diary, so you can see it at a glance everything that's going on. Every technician's got a tablet, and he clocks on with the tablet, so we know how long when he started it, how long he's been on the job, and then he can send any notes to the reception without the need for the service advisor to come out into the workshops. A TechMan is vital to my business because I couldn't survive without it. You just won't know what's going on. You just can't control 6 technicians with lots of cars going through the door and thousands of pounds a day. It's very, very difficult without a system that controls it. It helps me manage the day-to-day running of the business in that respect. So I can then allocate time to a particular job. Everybody knows what's happening, and at a glance, anyone in a diary can see what's going on.
For further information or to arrange a demonstration, go to techmangms.com or call 01604 666 720.